Okay, so today we're going to look at section 3.5, the equation of a line. So in your logbooks is this formula. There's two formulas for equation of a line, but this is the first one we're going to look at. And it's y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. That's the equation of a line through the point x1, y1 with a slope of m. So these are the things we'll be filling in. Alright, so your equation of your line will have an x and a y and a number in it. Okay. So the easiest thing is to do an example. Find the equation of the line containing the point minus 3, 2 and whose slope is 2 over 3. So this is my x1, y1 and this is my m. Okay, so y minus y1, which is 2, equals m into x minus x1. So it's minus and minus. So minus and minus gives a plus, okay? So the first thing we're going to do is just change that to a plus. Alright. Then we're going to multiply n by the 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 by x is 2 over 3x. And into your calculator, if you do 2 over 3 by 3, you'll get 2. Alright. So then we want to bring everything to one side. X first, y next, and then the number. Okay, sorry, that's a plus there. Okay, so we bring over the 2 over 3, it becomes a minus, then y goes next, then we have minus 2 and we bring over that 2 and it becomes a minus 2. Okay, so we don't like fractions, and we also don't like a leading negative. So first things first, we'll tidy it up first. So 2 over 3x plus y minus 2 is minus 4. Okay, and then I want a plus here, so I can change the signs all the way across, or multiply across by a negative is really what you're doing. Okay, so if I make this a plus, this becomes a minus and this becomes a plus. And now I'm going to multiply everything by 3 because I don't want a fraction. So when I multiply by this by 3, I get 2x. When I multiply y by 3, I get 3y. And when I multiply 4 by 3, I get 12. And that's my equation of my line in a way that I like it. There's no fractions. It doesn't start with a negative. Okay. Alright, we'll try another example. Find the equation of the line containing the point 3, 4 with slope 5. So again, this is x1, this is y1, and this is m. So y minus y1 equals m into x minus x1. So y minus 4 equals 5 into x minus 3. So here in this one we don't have a fraction, which is nice. Bring everything to one side. So the 5 comes out, becomes a minus. The y stays where it is. The minus 4 stays where it is. This minus 15 comes over, so it becomes a plus 15. Okay, so we have minus 5x plus y. Minus 4 plus 15 gives you 11. And then we don't like a leading minus, so we're going to multiply across by a minus. So that becomes a plus, that becomes a minus, and that becomes a minus. Okay, and that's your answer. So that's your equation of your line. Okay. So we'll give some of them a go tonight. Exercise 3.5 on page 61, questions 1 to 5. So it's giving you the slope, it's giving you the point, and you're just filling them into that equation that we've just done. So just be careful if they're fractions. The first few aren't, and then there's a few fractions after that. Be careful with your signs as well. Okay.